Ontelaunee is a big area. There's multiple areas to pull off. We're gonna have people go to different parking lots around the lake. There will be trails to go on. At every parking lot, there's a 55-gallon or a 35-gallon metal drum. Everything that we pick up, you can just leave at that drum. They're gonna come around and pick it up, and then we don't have to worry about taking it anywhere. They said they really appreciate everything that we're doing, and they actually were really surprised that not too many people come and clean up Ontelaunee.
This does not belong in our drinking water.
It's the drinking water for all of Reading for the most part, so it needs to stay clean so we're not drinking filthy water.
And not a good place to drop your
Oil cans.
Yeah.
I've been an ambassador for a while, and I saw the Berks County Subaru group post about it, and I wanted to be able to get out and start helping the community a little more.
Drinking water for Reading, so we're just trying to help make a difference.
No, just happy to be here and help our community out.
It means giving back to the community, Subaru community, everyone around us. This is my drinking water, so I want to clean it up.
It's a local spot. We can come fish here, we can hang out here. Like to keep it clean.
I picked this spot because this is Reading's drinking water. They use a lot of filtration to filter. There's a lot of good fishing in this area. And a lot of people come here also to fish and kind of like disrespect the area and not keep it clean. And you know, you want to have nice things. You want to keep stuff clean. And especially, like I said, it's Reading's drinking water. Do you really want trash in your drinking water?